I have a table here and I'm going to show you how you can change the text direction. So I'll click inside one of the cells and then on the Layout tab, I'll go over to Text Direction. And if I click once, it changes the text to this direction. I'll move to the next cell, I'll click it twice, and in this third cell, I'll click it 3 times and it goes back to the original direction. So now I'll show you a practical way to use this tool. I'll create a newsletter. I'll go to Insert and I'll insert a 2-column, 1-row table. I'm going to put a title in this left column. Now I'll go up to the Layout tab and I'll change the text direction and then I'll resize this column. I'll change the height to 8 inches. Then I'll tell it to center the text. I'll make the text larger. While it's selected, I'll change the background color and the font color. And in the second column, that's where you can type the newsletter.